Okay, perfect. Hi, everyone. So we're meeting with Nikki Daniels. She is the program coordinator for the medical assistant program here at Cochise College. And we're going to get some more information about her program so then you can see if this is where you want to put your career. Okay, so hi.
Hi. Great. So the medical assistant program is for medical assistants, and they actually work in the clinic setting. And so they're like a nurse, but they're not called a nurse. They're called a medical assistant. And it's a very versatile profession. They get to work in a family care practice. They can also work in a cardiologist office. They can work in dermatology. So there's a lot of fun things. They can work in surgery, which would be great if you like to get in with the blood and guts. And but it is very versatile. Doctors and nurse practitioners and physician's assistants really rely on the medical assistant. So it's a very important job. I have a high regard for medical assistants. They are hardworking. They have a lot of responsibility, but also it's a very rewarding position.
Great. And so how long does your program usually take?
It takes about 2 semesters, and the cost for that is about $3,500. It's give or take, depending on the exams that you have to take. And once you complete the program, you get a certificate and for a medical assistant, but then also you get a national certification if you pass the national exam.
That's great. Are your classes all throughout the day? Are they only offered during part of the day? What kind of schedule does it usually look like?
So for right now, we have our classes on Monday and Wednesday from 8 to 12:30, and we have Tuesday and Thursday from 1 to 5:30 p.m.
Okay, great. And what is something that's exciting about your program?
Well, like I said, you get to do injections, you get to do blood draws, you perform ECGs, you get to do nebulizer treatments, you can do allergy testing, you can do allergy injections. So a lot of fun things like that.
Great. And so in a little bit, we're going to go ahead and go into the classroom and you get to see all the fun stuff in there.
All right, so this is the medical assistant classroom, and these are all the fun things we get to do. So we get to do injections, and we have fun little arms, fake arms that we actually get to inject into, which is a lot of fun. And it'll actually tell you if you hit the right spot or not. We get to use fake urine. And we get to use this little demo to do the throat culture. And also now we've got to learn how to do the COVID testing, so that's pretty cool. And we also get to draw blood, which is a lot of fun. So this obviously is fake blood, and this is an arm. And as you can see, it actually bled a little bit. That's where the blood is there. Actually, I should have had gloves on, right? And then we have all of our different vital signs, all of the thermometers, our blood pressure machine. And then on this really cool little thing here is we get to look into the ear and we can see what a ear infection looks like, what a normal eardrum looks like. And so that's a lot of fun. Another fun thing we get to do, and this is actually a cast that was put on me, we get to do casting. So you get to learn how to make a cast and then how to take it off. So
Fun.
It's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
And these are the rooms that we get to use. So if we walk over here, we can see where we can do the ECG that I talked about earlier. This is actually our dummy, and we can put him up for an ECG, and this will look at the heart. And these are just the different rooms over here. And another one, and we have babies that we get to deal with. And we get to learn how to weigh them and measure them.
Fun. That's good stuff to know.
Yes, and there is over 20 doctors in Sierra Vista. There's lots of doctors in other areas of the county that are looking for medical assistants. So this is a great profession. So I hope you choose us. Thank you.
Great. Thank you.